Hi, I'm Anya from Ocarina Workshop. In the previous video you learnt how to read op picks and how to play a scale. Let's have another go. Before you play your first tune, there are two things that you need to know. Number one, how to play a scale. And number two, how to tongue. Tonguing is when you use your tongue to start off a note. To tongue, you need to whisper do into the ocarina. Firstly, say do like this. Do, 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 do. Have a go. Do, 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 do. Then you have to gently blow do. Join in. Now you can play do. Cover all of the holes and give it a go. Now that you know the basics, we can play a game. I'll play a rhythm and you can copy. You know how to tongue rhythms, so now you're going to play the first four notes of a scale. Remember to tongue at the start of each note. Try this. You may have noticed that you just played the start of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which is the piece that you will be learning in the next video. Bye!